Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. All right, everyone, today we are taking a look at part 2 of the Aloe Yoga Ballet Pink collection. So as you can see here, we have a full outfit plus an extra little bonus skirt. So first taking a look at the Heartthrob set. So this is the Airbrush Heartthrob bra. I bought it in a size extra small. I also tried it on in a size small in the store, and that one felt a little small. Now it does have a really thick, nice band at the bottom of the bra. It does have removable pads in here, which are really nice, and it does have a really lovely low back, but it's not too wide, so you're still gonna have a lot of support. Now, the design is mirrored on the pants, and you can see there is also that really thick waistband up here, which just feels really nice. Now on the front, you do have this one white line that comes all the way down, and you have it mirrored on the back as well, but it makes a little heart on the booty, so it really accentuates your peach really nice. Now these are called the Airbrush High Waist Heartthrob leggings. I bought these in a size extra small. I also bought them in a size small, just in case I wanted them to be a little baggier. So I will try on both so you can see. I usually tend to go for the bigger size in Aloe leggings because I want to be able to breathe. But I know that is very subjective, so we'll try it out and you let me know in the comments below what you think as well. Now, of course, I am a dancer, so I had to try on this little dance skirt. So this one is called the Freestyle skirt. Now I realized when I tried this on in the store in the black color in the size small that this is just the French translation. So jupe acrobatique actually means it's like an acrobatic skirt. So I don't know, it's not necessarily one-to-one. I did try it on in a small in the black in the store, so be sure to check out the prior Ballet Pink try-on if you're interested in seeing the size comparison. This one is the extra small, and I think it will fit a little bit better. So you do have a different Aloe logo on the front. This one is that kind of fabric, thicker material, and it's within the print. This one feels like an iridescent silver that's kind of overlaid. Now you do have a stretchy waistband, so it should be forgiving. And then underneath, of course, you do have the little booty shorts. I really like these shorts, and I wish that they made these shorts in the same, you know, just as the standalone shorts. They do have the pockets on the sides, and they do have a liner inside, which is really nice. But this material, they don't make in anything else except for their, you know, undergarments. So that is all to say that they are very comfortable. So I'm really excited to try this on. Now I'm gonna try this on with the sports bra as well, but you can kind of see that they don't fully match. So it's kind of a bummer. Now I always love picking up a matching accessory. So this is the headband. You can see it is super stretchy, which is really nice because it's not going to be, you know, constricting on your head. It's not going to give you a headache. Now this one is called, I don't remember what this one's called. Everything will be linked in the description down below. I've not tried this on before, so I am really interested to see if I like it. I usually go for the hair scrunchies, but they didn't come out in one for the Ballet Pink. So I'm really loving our palette here. Of course, you can see I'm already wearing my Accolade sweater that I picked up. And now for the like cherry on top, I picked up this gratitude journal in also a beautiful pink color from Amazon. I'm gonna link this down below. I think that people are not, you know, as aware or, you know, not as focused on happiness and gratitude in today's day and age. So, oh bummer, it's a little messed up here, but that's okay, we soldier on. And I just wanted to have some sort of journal that would help me be aware of all of the things that I'm thankful for, both at the beginning of the day and at the end of the day. So I really love this book's format. It is the same throughout the entire book, although it features a different quote here at the top, and you can set your own date. So it's not going to like shame you if you miss a day, you just kind of pick up where you left off. Now it starts out, I'm grateful for, what would make today great, and a positive affirmation. And then at nighttime, you come in here and say good things that happened today and what I learned. So even if there's something that wasn't that great that happened that day, you still could learn something or find something positive to do. Now, of course, this video is not sponsored. We're not big enough to be sponsored, but it's mainly because we have so many viewers and not that many subscribers. So if you would be able to subscribe down below, we would really appreciate it. Now that we have our inventory of pink, let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, let's go ahead and get into our try on portion of this video. So this is the freestyle skirt in, again, as we mentioned, the extra small size. I do think this is the right size. However, going, to the smaller size does make it a little shorter. Now, if you do want to see how the size small fit, check out the prior part 1 Ballet Pink try on and you'll see that size small, but in the black color. Now, we did, of course, try out the dance skirt and it does move and flow really freely. It's a very lightweight material and it just all over felt really, really nice. It does have some give, especially along the waist, so it is comfortable and will fit all of your dance or lounge needs. Now, next up, we have the Heartthrob set. Now, you saw the sports bra on in the size extra small in the previous try on, and these are the extra small leggings paired alongside it. Now, I will show you the size small leggings in just a second, but just taking a second to focus on the extra small, they do fit. They are just a little bit more snug. So I really think this one comes down to preference. This would probably be my size, but I do like having them a little bit roomier and just a little bit more forgiving. I do want to have, just a little bit extra space in there. And I do think that this light color can be a little unflattering if it's too tight. So I tend to go with the small size. Now, all of that is up to you. Let me know in the comments below if you have these or if you have them in a different color or what size you think you would go for, what size you think I should go for. And of course, we're gonna dance right out of the frame. Now, last up, we are gonna try on both of these bottoms with our Accolade sweatshirt. Now, I really love this color altogether, but I did notice that the Heartthrob leggings do not match the color of the Accolade sweatshirt. So do keep that in mind if you are considering getting multiple items or if you're like me and you've already picked something up and you do want them to match. It doesn't drive me that much crazy, but I do notice the difference. Now, luckily, this skirt, which we are going to keep, does match the Accolade sweater very well. So overall, I really like this pairing. I think this is kind of the winner for me. But let me know what your favorites are in the comments below. Please be sure to subscribe. It really does help our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.